Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my indigo bracelet. The tools and supplies you will need to create this bracelet are wire cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers. You will need eye pins, a lobster clasp, a 6mm jump ring. The beads we are using today are 18mm wood rounds, 10 by 18mm wood rondelle, these Philippine gray wood rondelles, a lapis rectangle, these little metal cut rondelles, this crystal quartz oval, and this crystal quartz crackle teardrop. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search indigo bracelet. We're going to start off by using an eye pin, and I just strung 3 gray wood rondelles down. And we are going to form a simple loop. So we're going to bend that wire down. And we're going to come back in. We're going to trim off that little end, and I'm grabbing my round nose pliers now. And we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us, and the loops are both facing the same way. I just grabbed an eye pin and my crystal quartz oval, and we are going to bend that wire down. We're going to come over, trim that little end, and we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Coming back in, I'm opening this loop, attaching my wood rondelle, and then I'm going to close the loop. I just strung my lapis rectangle onto my eye pin, and I'm going to bend that wire, grab my wire cutters, trim that little end, and then we're going to grab our round nose pliers, and we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the pliers towards us. We're going to come back in, and we're going to open this loop, and I'm going to attach the previous loop and close the loop. Now we're going to make 4 of our 18mm wood round bead connectors. I'm going to show you how to make one. I already have 3 made to save time. So I just strung a metal cut rondelle, the wood bead, and a metal cut rondelle. The reason why I put those rondelles on there is so it would stop the eye pin from sliding through the bead. Sometimes these little beads at the end can be tricky to form a simple loop. So what I do is I like to place it between my fingers like this, and I'm pushing down on that little bead right there. And then we're going to bend that wire down. And we're going to come in, and we're going to trim off that little end. Now, when I'm going to form my loop, I'm holding that little metal rondelle down, and I'm going to come back in, and I'm forming a simple loop by rolling the wire towards me. Now I'm going to open this loop, grab the end of my bracelet, attach, and close the loop. I'm going to attach these 3 wood rounds. And once again, you need to complete this step 3 times for a total of 4. I just connected all 4 of our rounds, and you can see that our bracelet is starting to form. Using my eye pin, I just strung a cut metal rondelle, our large wood rondelle, and a cut metal rondelle. Once again, the hole is big. That's why I added those beads at the end. And we're going to make this one the same way. We're going to place our fingers holding that down, and we're going to bend that wire down. Now we're going to grab our wire cutters. It's a little bit tricky. Maybe go on the top side. And we're going to trim that little end. And I want to hold that rondelle down with my thumb. Now we're going to place our chain nose pliers right there. And we are rolling the wire towards us to create our loop. Coming back in, we're going to open that loop, find the end, attach it, and close our loop. I just grabbed my Crackle quartz teardrop, and I'm stringing it to right about there. And I'm going to bend that wire up. Let's move it out just a tad. Holding the other side with my finger so the eye pin is nice and tight, we are going to bend this side up. Now we're going to come in and make our bend. You would think the bend would need to be right about there, but after testing a few times, it needs to be a tad bit lower. So move it down so it's below, and then we're going to bend that wire back. Now we're going to come back over, and we're going to trim off that little end, and we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. I just grabbed my 6mm jump ring. This is how you open and close a jump ring. So we're just going to open that jump ring, and we're going to attach it so it creates a little dangle. And we're going to come over to the end of the bracelet, and we're going to close the jump ring. I just picked up my lobster clasp. We're going to come to the other end of the bracelet, and we're going to open it. Switch hands here. And we are going to attach the lobster clasp and then close the loop. And there you have it, how to create my indigo bracelet. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.